Please subscribe, like and share and click bell.
Try this. Textbook page number 33. A is equal to class 10. Class 10th. A is equal to set of quadrilaterals and B is equal to square, rectangle, trapezium, rhombus. State whether A subset to B, A subset to B or B subset A. Justify your answer. Now take A solution. Set A is equal to set of quadrilateral. Set of quadrilateral laterals. It means set of quadrilateral means A is equal to set of square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram, and B is equal to, see, this is the quadrilaterals, all are quadrilaterals, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram. Now B is equal to, what is B is given in the question, square, rectangle, comma, trapezium, comma, rhombus. So what is question? A subset B or B subset A? Justify your answer. So A, the elements present in A are five elements are there, and B only 4 elements. So elements A లో ఉన్న elements అన్ని B లో లేవు, కానీ B లో ఉన్న elements అన్ని A లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి సో B is subset of A. B is subset of A. Why? Because all the elements present in A is more than B. The elements present in A is more than B. So that's why B is subset of A. And next question, if A comma B comma C comma D, how many subsets does the set have? Any subsets ఉన్నాయి దీంట్లో. So let's find out how many subsets. So given solution, given A comma B comma C comma D, that is equal to, it is set A. How many elements are there? Number of elements is equal to A, that is equal to n of A. So that means n of A is equal to 4. N of A is equal to 4. Number of subsets for A set, number of subsets for a set A which is having number of subsets for a set A which is having n elements is 2 power n. So now, so n of A is equal to 4. Number of subsets for set A is equal to 2 power 4, that is equal to 16. So 16 is the answer. 16. So next question, P is the set of factors of 5, Q is the set of factors of 25, and R is the set of factors of 125. Which one of the following is false? See, P is the set of factors of 5, Q is the set of factors of 25, and R is the set of factors of 125. First one, which one is the false అన్నాడు, వీటిల్లో ఏది ఫాల్స్ అన్నాడు. సో నౌ P సబ్సెట్ Q, P అనేది Q కి సబ్సెట్, P అనేది Q కి సబ్సెటా? సో ఎస్, P 5 is the factor of 25 is also is there. So that's why 5 అనేది 25 factor కాబట్టి, so first one is right, and the second one is Q is subset of R. 25 కూడా 125కు సబ్సెట్ కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా రైట్. అండ్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ పి. ఆర్ అంటే 125. 125 అనేది 5కి ఫ్యాక్టరా? నాట్ ఏ ఫ్యాక్టర్. 5 ఈజ్ 125 ఫ్యాక్టర్ కాబట్టి సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్. అండ్ పి ఈజ్ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్. పి అంటే ఏమి? సో పి ఈజ్ 25 subset of R. Yes, it is also subset of R. It is also right answer. So only it is false. C is right answer for the above question. Next question. A is the set of prime numbers less than 10. We know the set of prime numbers less than 10, 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7. And 11 is more than 10. So it is less than 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. And B is the set of odd numbers less than 10. Odd numbers. We know that odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 less than 10. And C is the set of even numbers. We know the set of even number 2, 4, 6, 8. 6, 8. So and how many statements are true? A subset B. So A లో ఇవన్నీ B లో ఉన్నాయా? లేవు. It is also false. It is false. And B subset A. B లో A లో ఉన్నాయా? No. It is also false. A subset C. A లో ఉన్నటువన్నీ C లో ఉన్నాయా? No. లేవు కాబట్టి it is also false. C subset A. సిలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఉన్నటువంటి అంటే ఏమున్నాయి ఇక్కడ? ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఎక్కడ దేంట్లో ఉండాలంట? ఏలో. ఇక్కడ కూడా లేవు కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా ఫాల్సే. అండ్ బి సబ్సెట్ సి. బిలో ఉన్నటువన్నీ కూడా సిలో ఉన్నాయా? ఇక్కడ కూడా లేవు కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా ఫాల్సే. అండ్ క్యూ సబ్సెట్ పై సబ్సెట్ ఏ. పై ఉన్నటువన్నీ కూడా ఏలో ఉన్నాయా? పైలో. సో ఏం లేవు కాబట్టి సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఫాల్స్. సో ఆల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్. 5 అంటే ఎంటీ సెట్ ఏలో ఉన్నాయా? లేవు కాబట్టి దట్ ఈస్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. లీస్ట్ అవుట్ సమ్ సెట్స్ A and B and choose their elements such that A and B are disjoint. So the two disjoint sets are disjoint అంటే no connection. Disjoint sets are A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to set of A, B, C, D. See, the elements of present in A, the elements present in B are both are different. That's why these are disjoint sets. Our next question is A is equal to 2, 3, 5 and find A union 5 and 5 union A and compare. So given sets A is equal to set of 2, 3, 5 and pi not given. So pi is nothing but we know that empty set. Now A union pi is equal to that means 2, 3, 5 union pi means empty set. So A union pi that is equal to so only pi అంటే కామన్ ఏమున్నాయి? యూనియన్ కదా, రెండు కలిపి రాయాలి కాబట్టి 2, 3, 5. That means A union pi is equal to mali same A. That is equal to A. In the same way, pi union A. So reverse. Pi union A set 2, 3, 5. And it is also కలిపి రాయాలి కాబట్టి మనం same 2, 3, 5 and it is also A. So now we finally conclude A union. Therefore, A union 5 is equal to pi union A is equal to A. Final conclusion. Our next question is if A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then find A union B and A intersection B. What do you notice about the result? So given sets solution. Given sets A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can write A union B. So A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4 union B set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now A union B is equal to all are joined both 2 times repeated once we are written. So 1, 2, 3, 4 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you observe A union B is equal to all B values? You get all B values. So that means that is equal to B. And A intersection B is equal to A intersection B. What is the A value? Set A 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Intersection 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. It is the B value, B elements. Then A intersection B is equal to, so intersection means all common elements present in A and B. Common elements 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 4. Now you can write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Do you observe all are elements present in A? Here A intersection B also 1 2 3 4. That is equal to A. So you can conclude, you notice that, what you notice means, you notice A union B is equal to B. A intersection B is equal to A. This is the final conclusion. A union B is equal to B. A intersection B is equal to A. Our next question. A is equal to 1 2 3 set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, and B is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10. Find the intersection of A and B. So intersection of A and B means, let's take a solution. A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, and B is equal to 2 comma set of 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10. So now A intersection means this is the symbol that is equal to B, and so A intersection B is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 intersection B value, so 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10. So A intersection B is equal to, what are the common elements? What are the common elements here? So 2 is there, 4 6, 2 4 6, 2 comma 4 comma 6 only result. So thank you. Wait for next video. Wait for next video.